Hello mga hunters! Today, we're going to explore another exciting opportunities for those looking for a new career path. Kung naghahanap ka ng trabaho, especially work from home or online jobs, now this is for you. So today, we will be discussing a website dedicated to connecting talented individuals with great career opportunity. Now let's dive in. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Kath. I'm a social media VA. At dito, maghahunting tayo at magbibigay ako ng mga ideya where to find side hustle, home-based jobs, ESL jobs, tips, tools, at lahat-lahat na nalalaman ko based on my experience as a VA. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. Now, let's start. Do you have the following? Professional workstation with webcam and headphones or headsets, a fast and reliable internet connection, at familiar ka din ba sa Amazon? Well, if meron ka nito, it's a big check sa trabahong pag-uusapan natin ngayon. And you need also to have the following qualities. Ready to learn? Kasi dito, no experience is required. So, ibig sabihin, for those beginners or wala pang trabaho or experience or kaka-graduate pa lang, meron po silang training. So, kaya tinatanggap po nila lahat ng mag-a-apply dito kahit walang experience. So, make sure na ikaw ay may willingness to learn about the job. And open-minded ka kung ano yung mga ituturo sa inyo about the job. Hindi hard-headed at hindi yung gustong magsimula pero ayaw naman turuan sa trabahong gagawin. Time management for maximum output, and this is very important kasi you will be working from home, walang magmo-monitor sa iyo. So, kailangan meron kang time management para matapos at makapag-produce ng output. High standard for work, kailangan to kasi nga you are working from home and we are dealing with clients, especially US based or from another country. So we need to make sure na magaling ka talaga. Dapat ipakita natin na we deserve the salary that we are going to receive or we are receiving. Infectiously enthusiastic, kailangan yan. Dapat motivated ka. Like you have the energy, the positivity to work every day. High energy at saka leadership. Now, if you have all those things at saka qualities, then let's proceed kung ano ba ang trabahong ito at ano ang website na ito.
Okay, so ito po yung scouttalented.com. Makikita mo agad na they are well-organized and user-friendly ang site nila. It's designed to help job seekers find the perfect match for their skills and interests. Sa homepage pa lang, may kita mo na yung mga current job openings nila. Okay, so here, ito yun. So just scroll down. So why apply to Scout Talented? Well, according to their website, they are committed to helping you grow and succeed in your career. So they offer various positions, including roles for those with no prior experience, which is perfect for fresh graduates or anyone looking to switch careers. So their team is supported and aims to match you with the right job that fits your skills and goals. Now let's talk about their hiring process na makikita mo din dito sa kanilang website. Simple lang siya and very transparent. So here, you need to complete your pre-interview application, complete a mock test if meron, complete a one-on-one get-to-know-you meeting, so like an interview, They will also forward your information to potential clients, complete 2-on-1 potential client meeting, and complete any other client-specific follow-ups and receive offer letter from a client. So there, it's so simple, and wala nang iba pang mga interviews, but you will be directly interviewed by the client. So here, mga hunter, let's check kung ano yung mga open roles nila. So you have here no direct experience, so great for newbies. At meron din silang advanced direct experience, 1+ years of experience in this role. So ang pag-uusapan natin ay itong mga walang experience. So check natin itong si Amazon OA Product Researcher. So here mga hunter, so nasabi ko na ito kanina, yung ibang mga requirements nila. So aside from that, you should be fluent in English, not just passing but fluent para magkaintindihan kayo ni client. So currently based in the Philippines, and yung nasabi ko na kanina. Okay, familiarity with Amazon. So paano tayo maging familiar sa Amazon? So search nyo sa Google, marami po tayong mga makikitang mga free courses dyan sa Amazon. Mag-YouTube ka, mag-Google ka kung ano ba yung work na ganito, ano ba yung si Amazon, ano bang ginagawa. I think from that, meron na kayong at least idea kung ano yung ginagawa or ano yung Amazon. So here, it's being stated na no prior experience is required. So another is expectations. Find profitable products based on the client's criteria and provided retailer list. Okay, ito yung mga job description or responsibilities mo. Lead the peers around you, ready for multi-year opportunity, asked for feedback often, exclusive commitment to one client. So here, sa Scout Talented, hindi ka nila pababayaan because you will have a regular, as you can hear, feedback, and then meron namang community or yung group, meron kayong GC, baka meron po silang GC or channel or sa Slack ba ang gagamitin ninyo for your constant communication. So here, ito yung application process. Merong pre-interview with video portion. So it will be from this website or the company, Scout Talented, and then one-on-one interview, and then the follow-up client interview. So the best part is the salary. So merong $500 to $1,000 per month. So if we're going to convert the $500 to Philippine peso, that will be 29,000. So sobrang laki na. And you will be paid bi-weekly. Set ka pa, wala ka pang experience, pero nag-start ka ng 29,000 na. And if it's $1,000 to peso, that will be 58. So sobrang laki na talaga. And you will be paid bi-weekly. It means 15 or 30 or 5 or 25, depende. And you will have local holidays as paid and monthly PTO allowance. So meron po kayo allowance aside from your compensation or salary. So let's i-check naman natin yung other position na hiring nila. So let's just focus dito sa mga walang experience. Meron ding e-commerce, so admin assistant, if gusto mo ng ganitong trabaho, the same requirements. Expectations, solve account health issues, point of contact with prep center, lost inventory organization, more on admin works actually. Okay, customer service, pre-interview, the same process. So ang salary naman dito is starting is $700 to $1,000. And then meron siya 13-month pay. And the same with allowance. Now, let's check if you want to apply. Click natin yan. Okay, so first is give your contact details so we can get back to you. Okay?
So, that's it mga hunter. Sana makatulong ang website nito, especially sa mga fresh graduates, sa mga wala pang experience at gustong magsimula dito sa industry ito or sa work from home or sa online job. It's really a great opportunity kasi tinatanggap po nila ang walang mga experience. Now, if you have questions, feel free to write your comments down below or message me anytime. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. Also, follow our Facebook page for more hiring tips, updates, at also our TikTok account. So, that's it mga hunter. Thank you for always watching and happy hunting!